Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to see a tab. Lenovo Tab M10 FHD Plus. This is a new variety in this generation. Before we had a Tab M10, but now in this video we are going to see M10 Plus, which is having 10.3 inch with full HD. This is an awesome product, Lenovo M10 Plus with Dolby Atoms. You can see this is an Android technology with premium metal design having 10.3 inches the sizes. It is having 8 MP rear camera and 5 MP front camera. It is a fully Wi-Fi supported iron grey colored 4 GB RAM with 64 GB memory. It is an wonderful product from Lenovo, which is manufactured from Lenovo. We are going to see in this video very clearly unboxing of the Lenovo M10 Plus. There we go. Now we are going to unbox this Lenovo M10 Plus tab, which is having a 10.3 inches screen size with full HD, which is having 4 GB RAM and very good attractive design. Come, let's enter the pack. Wow, it is an amazing pack which really attracts us. As you all know, everywhere nowadays online classes is going on, so we can't give for each kid a laptop or desktop. In that case, we can purchase such kind of tab which is not that much price and it is an affordable price all over the world. So Lenovo M10 Plus tab, now we are going to see in detail the unboxing. Wow, very well packed with highly secured box. It is fully covered with a unscratching cover. Here you can see a narrow band, 10.3 inch FHD display, that means fully HD display. We can open one by one. I am really excited whenever I am doing unboxing each product, which gives me more energetic to do the unboxing. Here we can see a pin is there which is used to insert SIM or memory card, a manual which is very important, user guide. In the other partition we can see charging cables. Yes, that's correct. Hope that's it inside the package. As you all know, Lenovo is a wonderful brand with high technology. Its laptop also it's awesome design. Now they have recently left Lenovo Yoga, which is going in a high level. Everywhere we can see Lenovo Yoga with lightweight, more purchase in 2021. Now we are going to unwrap the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. They sealed very well in order to avoid the scratches. Black color, my favorite color. Yes, here we go. There is a camera at the top, 10.3 inches screen with full HD, 8 MB rear and 5 MB front cameras, which is more than enough for home purpose, mainly for online classes for the students. It can be handled very easily and it is very slippery also. So my kind advice is to purchase a cover for it. It is available in all online stores. So please purchase it. When you purchase, just keep in mind you have to purchase it for Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. There we can see the serial number, it is TBX600X. In this you can find the languages. Here you can find in English, the device overview, prepare your device, important safety and handling method, service and supports. In such a way you can find all kind of detail inside this manual. So they have given the instructions how to insert the memory card. In this Lenovo M10 Plus, it is not eligible to insert a SIM card. So only memory card can be used, because it is coming without SIM and we can't use SIM. This is the main thing. Whenever you get any electronic product, you have to charge this till it get 100%, which is bring you a long life of battery. So in this manual you can find all kind of support services and the way how to use it, how to charge, how to start everything. Even though in this video I will show you how step by step procedure we can move on. And here you can see Lenovo TBX606F. This is the model name. Frequency brand is given clearly. Maximum power which we need to insert also given clearly. Here you can see specific absorption rate information also. So it is an European 10G. SAR limit is 20 W bar kg. Lenovo TBX606F is the serial model name. The name of this tab is Lenovo M10 Plus, which is very handy and we can give it to kids, which they can carry from one place to another very easily during their online classes. The cover seems very attractive. I like it very much. So it comes with Lenovo a manual with a safety and warranty quick start guide plus a pin to insert the memory card. So now we are going to switch on. Just press the power button for just a minute. You can see the screen on with a red color border with white letters Lenovo powered by Android. So there we go. Wow, amazing to see it and really admiring, and with a new look, clear cut design and a camera at the top. It takes some time to process, as it is the first time it takes some process. Yes, here we go. It is in Arabic language. Now we have to choose the required language. I choose English. So scroll down to find your required language. Yes, here we go. I choose English language. Wow, it's work very fast, as it is having a good RAM, 4 GB RAM. So whenever you get such kind of products, you need to go better RAM in order to get a high speed. So here we go. Hi there. Yes, click the start button. You can see how fast it is processing. Please agree to follow the start using table, license agreement, user experience program. Yes, blah 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 blah. Okay, just click the next button. It will carry you to the next process. It is going to connect with the Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi. If you have a Wi-Fi connection, just choose the correct Wi-Fi name and it will ask you for the password. Click the password and try to connect the Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi. Once the home Wi-Fi is connected, it will carry you to the next page where you can do whatever you want, like a Google Classroom, YouTube, Gmail, Yahoo, or whatever you like. You can surf in the net and you can go and you can do whatever you want. Here the password, we are entering the password to connect the Wi-Fi. So once it is connected with the home Wi-Fi, you are ready now to do whatever you like. You can see how fast it is. So this is, it will give you a very good experience for you with this Lenovo M10 Tab Plus. Keep in mind it is a plus, not Lenovo M10. This is a new version called Lenovo M10 Plus with 10.3 inch screen size with 4 GB RAM. That is very very important. 4 GB RAM, which gives you a very high speed experience while you are working in the tab. So please always choose high level RAM, which make you to save lot of time sitting in front of the PC or gadget, such things. You can see the signal is in good strength. So it is checking the updates, as it is the first time we powered on. It is going to check for the updates. Here you can see octa-core chip which has 8 MB rear camera and 5 MB front camera, and narrow bezel and metal design, quite clear and very attractive. Here you can find it is asking for you copy apps and data. If you want to copy from one to another, you just copy or just skip and move on to the other page. So just click the button next or don't copy. Here I click don't copy, so it will carry me to the other page. So it is asking for a check, so just wait, and again it is going to check for the info around the gadget. Once it's clear, it will carry me to the next page. There we go, it is taking me to the next page. Yes, there we go, it is asking for the sign up in the Google. Of course we have to sign up to enter like a Google Classroom, Gmail, Yahoo, or YouTube, whatever we want to, you need to sign up. Yes, here we are signing up, and in such a way the startup guide will be there. So you can adjust the power mode. Always keep these such kind of gadgets like mobile, tab, desktop, everything under night mode, which will save your eyes. Yes, of course this is for the kids, so you no need to keep such kind of brightness. So please always keep the screen mode at night, so it will be in a dull phase. You will save your kids eyes, which is more important than the others. So please take care the kids by giving them such kind of gadgets in the night mode, which save their eyes. Here it is asking for the screen lock, so just to time being you give skip and you can do it later. So just click skip anyway. It is trying to adding another way. Yes, here you can find there are two IDs, Lenovo ID registered. I just click it and you can do it later or you can do it now. So here you can see finish device setup. Click that button. That's it. You finished the complete setup. Now it's all yours. Lenovo M10 Plus FHD 10.3 inch screen size is completely for you in your hand. You can carry everywhere, wherever you need to go. So here you can find all kind of apps and assistants, cameras, drives, everything is in front of you. Very attractive, very impressive. I like very much. It is quite admiring me. I really like to work in Lenovo M10 Plus tab. Wow, it is arranged very well. It is more or less designed similarly like Apple. Maybe they have the similarities, but even though there is small difference compared to Apple and Lenovo. As you all know, in laptop we can't beat Lenovo, so I hope same technology will work out in this tab. So it is asking for the updates. You can give whatever updates it's required, because to run the tab we need a correct recent current update. So in order to give the update, you need to enter the Google Play with the registered user ID password. So this is the front unboxing. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Bye bye.